Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I will explain you how gold price has moved in the last 2 days and how gold price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold price is currently trading at around 1824.64. okay, and if you look at the chart closely, what we can see that it has already made a U pattern, and after making this particular high it came down. Okay, and after coming down we have seen a range bound market, and once this range break downside, we have seen it went to a level of 1808 low, and from there we have seen. So suppose now we have seen a range bound in this market. So suppose if this range breaks downside, what we can see, it can go further low towards a level of 1807, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of 1788. okay, now suppose what we can see looking at the chart, that there is a range, there is a U pattern forming. okay, and once this U pattern, and we have seen a downside also, if it goes above this level, that means if it sustains above a level of 1916, we can see there will be a pattern which says there will be more upside movement in the price of gold. But as of now, the price is currently trading at around 1824. So if it goes below this level, then we can see a probability of going further down, because we have seen that there is a continuous downfall. If we look at from 10th of March or first week of March, we can see that since then we have seen a continuous downfall in the price of gold. okay, so if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again to a level of 1811, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 1798 and then 1788. okay, and that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1777 and then further down. But suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can move to a level of 18. okay, after this particular level we can see it can move to a level of 1832, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1847, and 1847 is a strong resistance. So if it breaks upside, then we can see a further upside movement towards a level of 1856, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1867 also, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 1876 and further high. okay, and then can touch a level of 1879, and then once it breaks this level, then we can see a probability of touching more further upside will be there. okay, now something that you have to understand, this if in the range break upside or downside after for a certain period of time, then only we can see there will be a sharp move or sharp fall in the price of any of the commodities or any of the chart pattern, because I'm telling you how these chart patterns are read. If you have any doubt, I have given the mail ID in the description. You can mail me, or there is one more mail ID, stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, live@gmail.com. you can mail me at this, and the Telegram link also I've given in the description. You can mail me in on that. okay, so now suppose if it sustain this level, then we can see it can go further upside and can go to a level of 1870 also, or if it goes below this level, then we can see a fall towards 1800 and then towards a level of 1788 and then further down we can see. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.